For the lovers of green bell pepper, you can also make oil out of it. What we're going to need is just some couple of green pepper, then you can season it with other natural spices like ginger, garlic, spring onion. We'll start by cutting oil into smaller sizes. Make sure you remove the pit of the green pepper. Then your spring onion follows. You chop it into smaller sizes too so that the blender can easily blend, especially if you don't have a high definition blender. When you're done, you can pack everything into the blending machine and blend. Your green pepper oil, is a flavored kind of oil. It will have the flavor of all these ingredients in it, and you can use it to take your yam, use it to make your sauce, and it will always give this flavor in it. The reason why I love green pepper oil. So now it's time to blend, and we'll just blend for a few minutes. Mind you, we're going to be using oil to blend this, not water. The reason is to reduce the amount of water that is going to be in the paste. So we add our oil, then cover up to blend. So our paste is ready now. We'll just transfer into a pan with oil already. Cook on low heat for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, depending on how green you want your oil to be. But personally, I let my own cook for a while. It turned darker. This is just to make sure that all the water molecules are, are off, because the oil is not going to be refrigerated. So if some water molecules are left in it and it's not refrigerated, your oil will have a still taste after some time, because the water molecule will still start reacting after a while. So it's best to make sure that all your water is dried. The reason why you need to leave it for a while. So finally, I think it's almost ready. We'll leave it to cook for few more seconds, and I think now finally it's ready. Our oil is ready. You put off the heat, then allow it to cool, then you can sieve and extract your oil. Pour your cold oil into bottles and store. You can now make use of your oil anytime you need it. Hope this was useful. See you in our next video. Bye.